Hello, this is a ridiculously easy, super cheap DIY light sword tutorial. In total, this cost me about $30 and took less than an hour. The first thing that you're gonna need is a light tube guard. I got mine from Home Depot. It was $8. You can also get different colored ones online. Amazon has a bunch of different colors. The next thing that you're gonna need is a flashlight that fits well in your hand. I'm using the Coast G32. This was on Amazon for $22. I've also experimented with cheaper flashlights. This one was only $5. It works as long as it fits inside the light tube guard. However, I find that the G32 just fits really nicely in my hand like an actual sword. Once you have your light tube guard and your flashlight, you're gonna wanna cut the light tube to the desired length. I wanted to make twin swords, so I cut my light tube exactly in half, but you can make it longer or shorter. The flashlight was just a little bit too narrow for the light tube to fit snugly, so I wrapped some athletic tape around the head. Obviously you can use black tape, but white is what I had. This just makes it so that the light tube guard fits snugly on the flashlight and doesn't like jiggle around. Then I taped it into place, and then I used packaging tape to make a crinkly layer all the way around the light tube, just winding up and kind of crinkling it as I went. This is just so that the light reflects inside of the tube and lights the whole thing up. The last thing that I did was wrap the handle in a badminton grip and tape it up. This is just so that it doesn't fall out of my hand while I'm spinning it. And that's it. It should cost about $30 per light sword and take less than an hour. The best thing is that because it's so cheap, you don't have to worry about it getting damaged if you're flipping around and doing wushu. Good luck, have fun!